I were you. It might, okay, actually, you can do that if you need to.
Alright, y'all, you know who it is. It's fucking Kevin and Nate, let's see.
Hey everyone, what's up?
We're celebrating 4th of July with some upchurch in the back. People are here.
That's right.
Happy 4th, everyone. You probably can't see me right now. I'm sparkling for my mom.
Wait, look.
Sparklers for everyone, not a little kid.
Shut up.
Just little kids.
We got some upchurch in the back.
There we go. Alright.
We got Ellie blasting some upchurch, you know, because gonna have me. Nate's mom is out in a blast with that stupid sparkler. Are you having fun there?
Mommy, you're so cute. Great time.
Alright, guys.
What? Son bitch! I so got that accidentally. Like that was completely accidentally. I was trying to get your mom.
I wasn't ready for that. Mommy, oh look! Oh, look how precious.
Alright, and it's, what are you doing next?
The air is so foggy, that's...
Oh, trust me, it's all the smoke and shit. Oh, Nate.
Oh, Lord.
I felt the aftermath of that one.
There should be one more.
Unless the second one's a dud.
Maybe.
Probably.
Like my ass. Just kidding.
Your ass is a dud?
Yes.
I thought your ass was a stud.
You're funny.
I am, aren't I?
Nate, the second you go up to it, it blows up.
I'm gonna laugh at that.
What's poppin'? That was so cute.
Nate's confused by Nate's confused again. That's like the 8th time today that Nate's gotten confused.
No. Nate, run. I'm not gonna be ready. They're all done.
These are kind of shit. Hey Nate, that's the one from our first video. Do you remember this?
Yeah, I do.
Hey guys, if you don't know, we have a few songs that were in our first video, and this is one of them.
Remember, safety when it comes to fireworks, otherwise you blow a hand off and then it's worse.
No, and then you blow your face off, and then you look like you look worse than Lloyd Wilson.
At that point, you look worse than freaking Freddy Krueger, so,
You better run your booty away. You trying to get blown out tonight? Woo!
We're having people over there who are having a great time. Also over there.
There's people over. Okay, that was right.
That was smart, huh?
Your truck is gay.
I'm not gonna antagonize people this year. I wanted to, but I really want a big pop after that.
Nate, there's a car,
The only bad problem of not having our own property.
slow down.
Oh. Shit, that scared me. I was like, what the hell? Oh, it's a big adventure.
That was one of the parachutes.
Dude, you know what's awesome?
Huh.
YouTube knows it's they pissed me off, so they're giving me like no ads. Are you taking selfies again?
Yes.
Hold on, hold that light on there.
Bitch asshole.
I'm trying to find the freaking fuse.
Is it at the top?
Nope.
It's probably in between there. It's probably
I hate doing this, but let me make sure.
Oh, ow! You just turned
I think I gotta pull the paper off.
Is it fuse in there?
Probably gonna have to pull the
Last
paper off.
one's like you're at Nana's. You can't. That's one thing I like about Utah. Last person job was boring because we were at Reed's. Can I have some?
That's the smart playing with fucking.
Nate, can I have some?
Sure. Okay.
Ooh, yeah.
And you're peeling apart the paper off of the firework to find the actual freaking fuse.
It's right. What the heck?
You just pull off the top or something?
Oh,
Apparently.
yeah. Well, Nate, that's what we
Good
don't.
job, Nate.
We don't use our minds. What is that? How does that thing work?
Mid shower. Hold on, no, hold on. Okay.
If I sat on here, it would break.
No, but don't do it if you got fireworks.
And then they blow up in my butt because my voice. Kidding.
Sure. If you say so, kiddo.
Are you guys putting this on YouTube?
Yes.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Did you forget that we own an awesome channel?
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm their little sister, so I gotta do
She's stuck with us, unfortunately.
Yep. Only for 2 years.
Okay.
There you go. There's some light.
Okay. We need to figure. Okay, where's that bottle cap? Where's that cap at?
I don't know.
We're gonna puncture a hole. Okay, everyone. This is why you always carry a pocket knife, so you can do crap like this.
Oh, would you like mine?
Your light? Yes. I got my knife.
But mine's a Smith & Wesson.
That has some sexy ass knife. Ooh, that clean. Cut. Nate, don't cut yourself.
Literally, too.
Yeah, Mr.
don't distract
Accident
me.
Prone.
For those of you who don't understand, I'm so accident prone, I've cut myself multiple times with knives.
Nate,
On accident.
right as I say YouTube's being nice to me.
It's not.
Yeah, I know.
110 Jinx you a soda. No, not that soda.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Shut
Both
up.
of you owe me a soda.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Shush.
your dork.
Bop you right in the head.
Oh my god, you feel that?
Oh shit, this is
Dude,
way
put
too
your
tight.
hand on the
It's way too
tailgate
tight. That's
real
what she
quick.
said.
Don't go there, kid.
Put your hand on the tailgate real quick.
I can't, dude. I gotta figure out how to get this out of here now. Without ruining the freaking firework.
What the?
Did you stick it in and you couldn't get it out?
Running on the back of that car.
This is how you know we're in a redneck civilian, like in a redneck neighborhood, huh, Nate?
Yes.
And I mean, it's legal here, so.
Too bad we're not in Tennessee. Most things are legal there. Well, that and cops don't care.
Bam.
Don't pretend to hit me right now.
No, not you. I was hitting the camera. Sorry. I'm not trying to distract you.
The base on this is insane. Kids, disclaimer, don't play with knives.
Literally. Knives are very sharp, dangerous weapons. And they can and will hurt you.
Sorry, you were unentertaining.
Yeah, no shit.
No, it's not.
Aw, you guys done? I think they are. Boosh.
Wait, let me put it on the top. Hold on. Ow.
They're behind us, honestly.
When you're trying so hard to make this freaking work. Because if you don't, then it's going to fall into the actual freaking thing. You don't want the freaking bottle rocket to fall into the water. That could end badly for
Hey, Nate, show off your American shirt.
America!
America.
Freedom, bitches!
By the way, if you guys didn't know, our patriotic speeches and bullshit went up a few, hours ago?
Yeah.
So you should go watch that too.
Well, a few hours ago our time. It'll be like probably 10 hours by the time you guys get this video.
Probably.
Or a couple of days.
Hey, if y'all ever seen the Karate Kid, like the original, they have some on YouTube now. It's probably shit, because it ain't directed by the same dude.
And it doesn't have Mr. Miyagi originally.
Oh, here we go, Nate. By the way, it is patriotic to play up church, huh, Nate?
Very.
I wonder how well y'all is gonna pick up. By the way, if you want to hear some of the music,
Okay, we're good.
are we?
We don't want it on there because these things are supposed to shoot into the air, I think. We don't want it to like stick on there. Because otherwise it'll stay in the ground. We don't want that, right?
I don't know.
We don't want it on the ground because these are supposed to shoot like hundreds of feet or something like that. Like within 100 feet somewhere. Okay.
I'm surprised Dad hasn't come out and bitched at us yet.
Oh, keep it!
Yo, wait up. You gotta keep your ass on trip. Ooh.
I'm not even trying.
Oh shit, we got two.
No, we got one that's shooting fire.
But we do have them. This is one bad part about living on the street. Is that who I think it is? Is that my fucking bishop?
I don't know.
That's one, the fucking...
Keep on counting.
I got you. Just do your thing. I got you. It takes forever. Apparently Nate is having issues. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You are being very suspicious, car. They got both their fucking blinkers on and they're just driving backwards. I don't trust that car. Are you having fun?
Hey, watch out, everyone.
Fuck!
Okay. Why the hell did I do this then? It's supposed to go in the area. It's supposed to go up.
I wonder how bad your Mountain Dew bottle's gonna get it.
This is supposed to shoot up, not... That was dumb. Why did I buy these?
Because you're Nate.
Wait, Nate. Make sure it's
Give it 10 seconds.
know what it does.
Not very good, huh?
Nope. God, it smells like fucking kettle corn.
Oh, I bet. Here, we'll do this. I have an idea. Oh, let me grab the other one.
Good job, mate. Nobody cares about your stupid small business. Ah. Will someone go hit the fucking skip ad? Thank you. Never mind, I thought someone was gonna go hit the skip ad thing.
Of course they did.
Tell them to stop. They need to stop. They need to stop.
Stop!
Dude, stop!
Seriously! Slow down, man.
Dumbass!
Not that hard.
Fucking retard bitch!
You saw it here first, folks. People are fucking retarded.
That nigga's stupid! They're not very smart.
No, they're not.
Oh yeah, you're smart. Yeah. Thank you for at least waiting. See, at least they're smart and waited.
Don't run over our Mountain Dew. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice car.
I've never heard this song before.
Ooh, Christmas ones.
Really? Okay. Man, people can't fucking wait, can they?
Look at that. Nate, run. Nate. Trying to get lit on fire? Oh my gosh. Tree wasn't in the way. That was fine. There you go. Now it's focused. Holy shit, that's right. Oh my. Oh, I went to take a video of it, but it was too late.
Don't worry, I'm getting all of this.
Well, I've got fun, but not all.
And being that this is going on the channel, you'll definitely be able to see it. Nay, go get some more Upchurch, please. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. You're a dumbass. I asked you to please wait, but did you listen? No.
I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna go grab a hot dog.
Alright. Okay, that was kind of fun. It's supposed to spin. Sorry.
What the hell is going on? There's like 4 people over there. Nate, watch out, there's a car. Thank you for actually waiting. You know, I'd rather have them do that than do what the douchebag does. Kobe! There's also some over there, I don't know why. So I guess this is your cheap knockoff going through some fucking, like, fireworks show thing, but really cheap. Are you having... Nate, watch out, car.
Nice one.
Hey, will you go get me the Mountain Dew?
Yeah.
Thank you. You having fun there? Oh, thank you. What?
Sure. Since we're having this intermission kind of type thing.
Huh?
Warning, intermission, very boring footage.
Since we're having a kind of intermission.
Done. Oh, not done.
It is supposed to be spinning. I don't know why they're not spinning.
We got that, Snowball.
I did that.
Yeah.
Put that back on the truck, please. Thank you. I am really good with these camera angles, and I don't know why.
It's because you're you.
I mean, look at our first video. Look how clean that camera cut was. I'm gonna go plug in my phone.
Alright, so we're gonna have a little bit of a fun experience, or experiment, I guess.
Experience.
Yeah, experience.
I had a.
Okay.
Did my phone just die? Did my phone just die?
Probably knowing your luck.
Okay, my phone did not just
I'm
die.
talking murder with pins, I got a Staples a month ago. While I was there, I decided to pick you up envelope. So after you're done confessing love, lick it slow and send it close. Maybe your paper cut your tongue and fix that mediocre flow. I tried to Google you, but all that came up was that you a hoe. By the way, my girl's name ain't Brianna, it's Brianna. You wouldn't know that cause you play with condoms and bananas.
Yes, I do have it.
I haven't made it, but my radio is
Shit.
jamming. And I'm still rolling stone.
Alright, my phone's plugged in.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is, so these ones came out of one of these packages, and this one came out of this package, Black Cat ones, and our
So
experiment,
it's Black Cat versus TNT.
Nate, look.
what we're gonna figure out
Watch.
is because these say super snaps if they're actually louder than the other ones, than the pop-its, okay?
Okay.
That's our experiment.
And just Tay-Tay's having a good time.
Yes.
See.
Okay, so this one belongs to this. I'm gonna set it over here.
Ow, I felt that. Just kidding.
Good. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Have you ever dropped one on your foot and had it
Yeah.
explode? That sucks.
I dropped the red ones on my steel toe one time and I felt it.
Oh, that sucks.
Alright. So one on my left hand is the Poppets, the TNT Poppets. One on my right is the Black Cat Super Snaps, okay?
Are you trying to assault me?
Okay. Follow the camera. Camera follows me. Remember, left and right. You guys don't see any fucking tricks. I'm not promoting this. Okay.
Hold on.
Left.
Hold on.
Nothing. Okay. Minute difference. I was just
That
curious.
was a dud.
Seems like enough fun now. Please, a little bit. Hey, Cam.
Done.
Oh, damn it. It's supposed to hit your foot.
Nate, please do not hit my foot. It's gonna hurt.
It's not.
It's gonna hurt for like a sec.
Hey, Cam, hold out your hand. Don't do this at home.
Didn't even hit me.
Here, let's use your head. No, I'm just kidding.
What head?
Good job. You know what? Here, go with this hand.
Here, we'll try this hand. Oh my god, I didn't even hit you.
Damn it.
We're just assaulting him with poppets.
Nate, I popped it! I popped it on his hand. He got it on video. Doesn't matter, just take one out.
Doesn't matter.
I have a freaking tripped on the rug coming out.
Good job.
Got it.
Want to see if it can go farther? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Damn it. Because you need a
Well,
block for you.
that's good. Okay, it's not douche now. That was a nice car, though.
That was
These are quite interesting, huh?
I guess. You know what we should do? Do you remember what we did last time?
Just popped them all.
Oh, no. We filled up one of those, like, things full of them and chucked it. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I kind of do.
We screwed up so much. God, there's so much shit on the ground.
shit.
Do you remember the time we just chucked an entire bag?
Shit, dude, I remember the time when we popped an entire one of the red ones. You remember that when I bought like 10 of them? And we popped an entire box in the one thing and it like practically almost could have caught it on fire. Remember that, dude?
Yeah, that was funny. We
Yeah.
should do that again.
When we go to Wyoming, yeah.
Ow! One just popped on my foot.
Oh no, one popped on my hand.
Well then, quite in sync, huh?
I was like,
Like my ass.
I hope my freaking truck doesn't die tomorrow.
Probably will, but that's okay. That's why I have the raffle. Since we're having our pop hits intermission.
And I was your test subject.
Yes. So, what is new that is coming to our channel, Cam?
Let's see, there's Redneck Science, right?
Yep.
There's one that needs to go off.
There's ads, that's for sure.
Literally, too.
What else is coming new? We're gonna have the Overland build. Oh, by the way, we should probably cover that in this because you know.
Yeah, so he's changing his truck into an Overland build. It's got the truck rack. YouTube is having issues uploading it for some odd reason. So, since they were having issues uploading it completely, me and him had a complete issue with them, and yeah. We're not getting into details with that because it'll ruin our Ford. And it'll ruin yours too. Alright, so, since we've had our fun little intermission, let's have a little more fun before we put out fireworks. Okay.
You have a Facebook notification. Do you check it? Nope.
Why would I check a Facebook notification? I'm barely even on my Facebook, dude.
Sorry, I had to change hands.
No, you're good. So, note to everyone, if you try to find me on Facebook, good luck getting a hold of me. I don't really do Facebook that much.
If you actually want to get a hold of him, ask for his number.
You can text me, I guess. But, yeah. Alright. I'm trying to do a double count. Wanting to try to get them to ignite at the same time. So I need to take off the paper so we don't ruin the freaking fireworks, huh?
Car question mark?
They can drive around it. They're coming over here.
Okay, why the hell did you turn off your lights? That's
Probably just pulling up the curb.
Look at that. It looks like a double-headed dildo.
Oh my god, Cameron.
It is the 4th of July. We're bumping up church. We're like, yeah, I'm not worried about monetization today.
Of course you're not. Damn. They got lucky.
I'm also filming those too. So I'm feeling like everyone's fucking fireworks. You're slow.
Yes, yes I am. But that's okay. You know why? Because I'm Nate.
I'm just waiting for Douche Canoe to show up.
Yeah.
Aren't you slightly?
Okay. Now, hold out your hand, Cam. You're gonna need some trash in your hand.
Ooh, look at my sexy hand. It's good for groping.
Close up your hand. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do. Okay. This should be interestingly fun. Fire guide back up, dude.
Why, so I don't get...
Wind. Of course.
Get it yet?
Oh shit, back up. I don't know if it got both or not. Well, I guess we're gonna find out, right? Yeah, I got both, I'm pretty sure. Yep.
I'd be a douche, but I'm not a douche. Yay!
Hey, I have a question. Oh my god!
Yeah?
That's it?
Watch, it's gonna be a dead. Told you.
Oh shit!
It's gonna come towards us. Alright, one last mistake.
Am I good?
What?
Where do you want me to put your trash?
That bag right there.
I'm sorry, I'm just so taking two. Like mine. Shit, I'm not trying to have two.
Don't worry.